गोंयांत जमनींची वाडती मागणी मतींत घेतल्यार जमीन मालक आनी गुंतवणूकदार चडांत चड जमनी विकत्यो घेवपाक लागल्यात. TCP कायद्यांतली नवी दुरुस्ती म्हळ्यार 17 उपविभाग 2 प्रमाण व्यक्तीक फकत लेखी अर्जाच्या आदारान ताची जमीन, शेतां, फळबाग वा रान वाठारांतल्यान वसणुकेत रुपांतरीत करपाची परवानगी दिल्या. ह्या नव्या कायद्याक घेवन गोंयच्यो साबार आप वावुरपी संस्था कायदेशीर लढायेचे तयारेक लागल्यात. आयकात तांचे म्हणणे.
In January, the Assembly passes this act, which has introduces a new section called Section 17(2), and in this Section 17(2), the government gives itself the power to change the zone in the regional plan on an application filed by the plot owner. So they make it very simple. Means you file a simple application. If your field is if your plot is in a paddy field, it is on a slope, it is in a natural cover area with forest or whatever it is, you file a simple application with the government saying that you have put my land in the wrong zone. It should be in settlement zone. So please change it to settlement. And this very wise government of ours says, yes, what you are saying is correct. Your paddy field or your forest is wrongly shown as forest and paddy field. We will change it to settlement. You pay this much fees. So fees have been fixed. You pay the fees and you get your zone changed. So technically, entire state of Goa can today file application for change of zone. So there is no regional plan anymore, and there is no Town and Country Planning Act, because Town and Country Planning Act is based on regional plan, because everything has to be done as per the regional plan, as per Section 9. But now anybody and everybody can file an application. Now you will say, what is wrong with this? Then there is no more planning in the state, because anybody can put any project in any place by just telling the government, make an application, my zone is incorrect, and therefore please change it to the correct zone. What is the correct zone? It is usually settlement. Now, I have given, the petition gives, this is from the petition, you look at the last page at the bottom, this gives the actual analysis of the plots that have been changed in 24 cases by Mr. Vishwajit Rane and the Town Planning Department. 24 cases from April till June. Last notification has come somewhere 22nd of June. And we are showing that all the changes are from paddy fields to settlement, natural cover to settlement, orchard to settlement. Out of 100%, all these three zones have been converted on the ground that they are wrong zones. Now, forest is a forest. How can you say it is a wrong zone? And if there is a field, and it is a paddy field as per the Form 114, how do you say it is a wrong zone? And if it is a hill slope and the Town Planning Department has marked it as an NDZ, how do you say it is a wrong zone and that it should be made into a settlement zone? So this is the absurdity of what they are doing. One question we have raised in the petition is very simply this. If the government has made an error in describing some plot as no development slope or natural cover, and today the government says that is an error and we want to change it to settlement, why is the party being made to pay? Very simple question. You made the error, you pay for it. All over in all economic transactions, if somebody makes the error, he pays for it. So if the government has made error in 6 crore, why is the government just collecting money from all these people for making the change? That is the admission that there is something wrong. Because somebody wants to change the zone and therefore is willing to pay the money. Every Goan is not in a position to pay the money. 90% of the Goenkars will not be in a position to pay the money for the charges. So only those who can afford to pay. Secondly, we have said, all these plots, regional plan is in force from 2012. All these plots are purchased in the last 1 year. So, when you purchased the plot, you knew that it was orchard zone, you knew that it was no development slope, you knew that the paddy, you knew. when you purchased the plot. But you purchased it for 77 lakhs. Today you get the zone change and you get the value put up to 6.8 crores. So this is the game.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, सुभाशिश गोवेकार आणि संगीता ओली.